Welcome to the Pearstec learning series, and today we are in grade 6 a general science subject, and general science subject it's as per the Sri Lankan government school syllabus. We are going to learn here, and let's see what is in this chapter. And chapter starts telling that about wonders of the living world. When we are talking about the living world is consist of the living thing and non-living thing as well as the microorganism, and we are going to deeply see what's happening in this microorganism, living world and things. Alright, okay, now this is the environment we live. It says the environment is our surrounding including us. It consists of land like this, and there are water bodies like this. Water bodies consist of streams, oceans and rivers and even the ponds, and where water is there, and water based animals and the plants and all the things living surrounding the water lives over there. And these kind of houses where you live, and those plants over there and animals as this. Cute, isn't it? So we will move ahead and see what's there, and you can observe many different things in the environment as well as in the classroom. Okay, different environments consist of different components. Now let's find out the things that is there in this picture, and it is as per in your textbook that there are 4 pictures over there. If you very closely observe, each picture has different environment and different living and non-living things over there. Now see very closely the image number 1, and you can see there's a red color car over there, and a yellow color bus running, and people are walking on the sideways. Electricity is running on the poles, and the smoke is there, and a little boy is walking with his mommy towards house or towards a market or whatever. You can see, you can observe like that. So let's identify the nature of the components of the environment. Now I have a question here. Can you wear a pair of shoes that you used to wear when you were a baby? Can you wear a shoes that you used to wear when you were a baby? The answer is no, clearly, right? So why you can't wear that one? When you were a baby, you used to wear a small pair of shoe, and when you are now, you've grown up and you can't wear that same pair of shoe. So that's the answer. So because the size of your body is larger than earlier, so you grew up. So this is what happens when you grow up. You cannot use the same thing. So people grow up, human grow up. So when you grow up, things grow and things get bigger and in the size. Now look at that tree over there. It's becoming big and large in the size, and even the leaves are getting larger. Now the increase in size, height or amount, that is called growth. Increase in size, height or amount is called growth. Now let's see, there's a question for you over here. So what is growth? So that's the same answer, that the increase in size, height or amount is called growth. Very closely see this, what's happening to this caterpillar. Caterpillar starts eat out from that leaves, and it's changed into a beautiful butterfly. So caterpillar transforms into a butterfly and it grows. Now once again the same thing happens. The caterpillar eats the leaves and it grows and it grows, and it now transform into a beautiful butterfly. Things happens like that in an environment. Now can you see a growth in everything in the environment around you? Yes. Let's do the following activity to find out about it. Now there are 2 categories over here: things that grow, which is in the orange color, and things that do not grow. Things that do not grow is in the pink color. Now you can categorize, looking around you, what is around you, what grows and what does not grow. Now let's see. A child, yeah, he's definitely growing, so he's coming under that category. And pencil, yeah, no, pencil, it will not grow, so you're writing in that. And Like that, you can make a list of items that grow and that don't grow. Okay, let me guess this. Your the pair of glasses your father used to wear, will it grow or not? That's fine. You answered no. So that's true. So that comes in the pink category. That's that things that do not grow. And let's say puppy, your puppy. What happens to puppy? Will it grow or not? Yeah, puppy grows, and so the orange color category, and the puppy does it's growing, so it's like that. Now components with the growth are called like puppy, like a tree, like a child, like you. Those are called living things. So it has another name also. Living things has another name that called living organisms. Living things has another name. What is that? Living organisms. Now living organisms are human or you as a child, the tree, and see the beautiful puppy. Why the puppy is considered as a living organism or living thing? Because puppy is growing into a dog, kitten is growing into a cat, duckling is growing into a duck. So it grows and grows. Now when the things are not growing, those are called non-living things. Living things and non-living things. Non-living things are like pencil. Pencil doesn't grow, so pencil is coming, and your can of Pepsi, a can of soft drink, it doesn't grow. Or your bag which you used to carry, okay, it's heavy, right, but it's definitely will not grow, so it's come under non-living things. And this particular ball, wow, the ball comes as a non-living things also. Now let's see, things are divided into two that you already know, that we already learned: non-living things and living things. Now living things are categorized into three different categories. We're going to see that one. Okay, first category is this: deer, fish, parrots, snails, butterfly, as per in your book. Those are categorized as animals. And the next one is coconut tree, jack tree, bamboo tree, papaya tree. Those are comes under as plants. Now the third category is microorganism. Now you should know what is a microorganism, right? Look at this picture very closely. How many of you all are playing like this? We love playing on the soil and sand, right? But when you play on the soil and sand, there are things moving like these on your finger. Can you feel it's moving? No. Why you can't feel that? Because it's very tiny and very, very small, weeny small bits and pieces. Those are called, you cannot see that one with your naked eyes. So organisms that cannot be observed with the naked eye are called microorganisms. So how are you going to see that microorganisms? With this apparatus. This is called a compound microscope. The compound microscope, you can see those small tiny organisms moving in your dirty hand, or you can see that one in the dirty water also. Alright, now accordingly organisms can be divided into three main groups. Those are plants, animals, as microorganisms. That's right. Now it grows, right? So let's see, there's a video, a beautiful video about growing.